Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve virtual staging techniques with BoxBrownie, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, create a free account on the BoxBrownie website. Once logged in, navigate to the virtual staging services section. Select the type of staging you want to enhance, such as residential or commercial spaces. Upload high-quality images of the empty room you wish to stage. Make sure the images are properly lit and captured from various angles. Choose from a wide range of pre-designed furniture and decor options available on the platform. Use the drag and drop feature to place items in your uploaded image. Adjust the sizing and positioning of each element to create a natural look. Pay attention to the color palette and style to ensure consistency within the space. Take advantage of the 3D rendering options for a more immersive experience. Experiment with different layouts to find the most appealing arrangement. Make sure the virtual staging matches the potential buyer's preferences and lifestyle. Review your staged image carefully and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, submit your staged image for final processing. Download the completed image and use it for your marketing materials. Monitor audience engagement to see how your staged images influence viewer interest. Continue to refine your techniques based on feedback and results. Practice regularly to become more proficient with BoxBrownie's virtual staging tools. Utilize BoxBrownie's additional resources and tutorials for further improvement. Implement these strategies to create stunning virtual stages that capture attention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.